Alright guys, this is the way to get the Yeti. Just go outbound, place your thing as close as you can here, and
Yeah, dude, I kind of just
do
rode out there and I got kicked. I got kicked twice.
dang, dude. All
So
right, keep going.
yeah, I got like I think it was like 1,500 or 15,000 points from just speed alone.
Oh my gosh, man,
Yeah, dude, I was hauling ass.
that's sick. Should get the plane any moment here after this.
Yeah, I am. Should almost be there.
So yeah, this is how you get the plane. Just keep doing this. Dude, it's so funny. He just like looks up like it's so funny watching him after he kicks you guys because he just like looks up in the air after he kicks you. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, here he comes. Four. Ah! Oh man. Let's see.
Yo, when you use your sled, try to get a perfect landing so the Yeti, like you're going too fast for the Yeti to catch you.
Ah, smart.
Ah, motherfucker.
My bad, my bad.
Oh shit, I'm going slow.
Rip. Good landing. Oh god. Oh god. Just flying. Dude, it's such a good game. Oh my god, man.